The development of the FX is seen as an opportunity for Japan to revitalize its defense/aerospace industry and establish a foothold in the international arms market. In the aftermath of World War II, Japan's defense and aerospace sectors were decimated, forcing the country to enter a long period of rebuilding. The development of the FX will allow Japan to catch up and engage Russian and Chinese stealth fighters. In East Asia, the FX enables Japan to keep up with China and South Korea's pursuit of stealth fighters. Also designed primarily in response to Chinese, North Korean, and Russian military threat concerns, the FX is likely to be used against China's advanced fighter jets, the Shenyang J-11, Chengdu J-20, and Shenyang FC-31. Experts believe the stealth jets are likely to confuse China with Japan's increasing militarization. The development of Japan's FX, together with China's, India's, and South Korea's stealth fighter programs, is noted as an increasing trend of the Asian aerospace industry, challenging the dominance of the West and Russia in the global fighter jet industry. The Mitsubishi FX, unofficially known as the F-3, is a sixth-generation stealth fighter developed for the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, Japan's first domestically developed stealth fighter jet, and will replace the Mitsubishi F-2 in the mid-2030s. The FX is a twin-engine stealth fighter designed to achieve air superiority. In the Japanese Ministry of Defense's own terminology, the technology and capabilities that the FX has will classify it as a sixth-generation fighter jet. The MOD expects production of the first fighter prototype to start in 2024, with flight tests starting in 2028. Full-scale production is expected to start in 2031. Bearing the nickname Godzilla, it does not yet have official specifications, but some believe that it will be larger than the F-22, could be built with the capabilities of the X-2, and possibly even be armed with more missiles than the F-35. According to the Financial Times, there is concern among U.S. officials that Japan will choose BAE Systems as its international partner over a U.S. defense contractor. As a result, the Trump administration is reportedly exerting political pressure on Japan to co-develop the FX with the U.S. Britain will offer Japan greater flexibility in developing the FX, while Japan still attaches great importance to its alliance with the U.S. On December 9, 2022, the governments of Japan, Britain, and Italy jointly announced that they would develop and deploy a joint fighter jet under a project called the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. In October 2020, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries will become prime contractor, with IHI Corporation handling engines and Mitsubishi Electric handling electronics. In the UK, BAE Systems will handle aircraft, Rolls-Royce engines, and Leonardo UK electronics. Leonardo SPA and Avio Aero will participate in the development from Italy, and MBDA will also participate in the development of the missile. The concept fighter is named the I-3 Informed, Intelligent, Instantaneous Fighter. Some of the technologies and capabilities that must be possessed by a concept fighter include an advanced radar system to counter stealth technology from other fighter aircraft, receiving targeting information from other platforms, drones, fighter aircraft, and / airborne early warning and control aircraft. The use of fly optical buy, similar to the Kawasaki P1, for faster information processing, stealth technology, gallium nitride semiconductors to improve radar performance, and a new, more powerful engine. Defense Minister Taro Kono has stated that the FX will have strong network capabilities and will carry more missiles than the F-35. To cope with the heat produced by the avionics systems, to improve detection against stealth aircraft, the FX utilizes integrated sensors. The sensors include an active electronically scanned array (AESA), radar, passive radio frequency (RF) sensor, and an infrared camera. The FX uses plasma stealth antenna technology to deflect radio waves. The helmet-mounted display features a wide field of vision, binocular, multicolor display, voice recognition, and 3D sound. The FX will be powered by two XF9 engines. The engines incorporate three-dimensional thrust vector nozzles to allow the aircraft to achieve high maneuverability and improve stealth capabilities. The FX will be armed with a microwave weapon to disrupt incoming missiles. It is within the FY 2020 defense budget that a new conceptual image of the stealth fighter has been revealed, and the name of the program has been officially changed from Future Fighter to FX. In total, 28 billion yen, $210 million is used to fund the Mitsubishi FX development. All content on Anki Norman is presented for educational purposes. Thumbnails and titles are for illustration only. This is very useful information today. I hope it is useful and becomes knowledge for all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.